having proposed a total sum of 2.94 billion naira in the next fiscal year to build 260 classrooms comprising of 140 units of 3 blocks classrooms, 120 units of 2 blocks of classrooms, and 8 workshops, science laboratories across the state by the Education Ministry. Commissioner Professor Abayomi Arigbabu added that 1 billion naira was being set aside for the rehabilitation of existing structures in public schools across the state. The commissioner, while presenting the total budget size of 7.81 billion naira for the ministry, noted that the estimate contained the capital expenditure of 5.4 billion naira and the remaining 2.4 billion naira to cater for recurrent expenditure, while revenue target was put at 1.14 billion naira, explaining that a sum of 930 million naira was proposed for educational programs for the same period. He outlined the educational programs to include payment of bursary, scholarship, WAEC, national business and technical examination, basic education certificate examination, unified examination, establishment of multilingual resource center, and provision of modern equipment, amongst others, intimating the lawmakers that the ministry had slashed the levies payable by private schools by 50% to cushion the effect of the pandemic on their operations. The commissioner added that more measures will be formulated by the ministry to improve on quality assurance for public and private schools, with more improvements on infrastructural facilities for all categories of schools, irrespective of their locations in the state.
Have our schools having not only opportunity for virtual teaching and learning, you have digital teaching and learning, converting lesson notes into digital forms. You see those schools doing well. So it's not just provision of facilities alone, or even having the manpower in terms of quantity and quality. You need to also quality assure what you do. And when teachers know that you will be coming around, school administrators know that you are on their neck, you are checking, then definitely you have better results.
On his part, the provost of the State College of Health Technology, Ilese, Dr. Abiodun Oladunjoyi, presented a total budget size of 1.15 billion naira for the next fiscal year, with a renewed assurance of evolving more measures towards achieving excellence in health manpower training to reduce infant and maternal mortality, as well as incidence of communicable diseases. The lawmakers also considered the 2021 budget proposals of the Tai Solarin University of Education, Abraham Adesoya Polytechnic Ijebu-Igbo, and Tai Solarin College of Education, Omu, amongst others.